Whenever I buy garlic yogurt, I would make this simple garlic yogurt and cucumber sauce so I could eat it with several food as a side, like dipping for my vegetables, freshly baked pita bread, Persian lentil rice, which is my favorite, Turkish egg, and sometimes if I have extra, I would add a few fresh herbs and turn it into cold cucumber yogurt soup. This yogurt sauce is good with everything. The best part is it takes you less than 5 minutes to make. Let's make it. First, I'm going to cut the cucumber into small dice. I use Persian cucumbers to get the best crunchy texture from the cucumber. It doesn't matter how you dice it, as long as it's not too big. Try not to have a big chunk of cucumber in our dipping sauce. This is how I normally dice a cucumber. I would slice it into 4 parts vertically, and then I'll cut them into thin strips using the tip of the knife all the way down, and I would rotate them before I cut them small. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest you to do so. I'm sharing anti-inflammatory Asian and Mediterranean recipes that are nutritious and delicious. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss my posts. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna transfer them into a bowl. I suggest getting a bigger bowl so you have more space to whip them together later on. And now I'm gonna roll these mint leaves all together and slice them thin. This mint leaves is going to make the sauce refreshing, and bear in mind the sauce is quite garlicky, and these leaves here is going to save your life from the garlic bread. Add it to our bowl. Now I have dill's herb. I suggest getting a fresh one if you can. I already washed them and separate the big stalks. And now I'm just gonna roughly run my knife to chop them thin. Into the bowl. Next, I'm gonna grate the garlic with a grater. This way, it creates a finer texture so the garlic flavor could distribute throughout the yogurt. Now adding yogurt to the bowl. Just to make sure I don't waste the residue on the bowl, I'm using a rubber spatula to scrape it out. Last but not least, season with salt and pepper and mix them until fully blended. You can enjoy this immediately, or you can keep it cool in the fridge for a few hours to marinate the ingredients together. Simple, isn't it? So let me know if you have more ideas on what could be good with this yogurt sauce that I can try. Please like my video if you enjoyed this.